This is Amy Chan from CakeDecoratingSchool.com, and if you like cake decorating, you're in the right place. If you're interested in these products, check the links in the description. So in this video, we are talking about dextrose powder. You might be wondering, what is dextrose? It's a common name for glucose, and it's a form of glucose, right? So it's used for its moisture retention properties and because it also prevents crystallization in a lot of kind of candy making. So think the making of hard candy and other kinds of different delicious things like gummy bears to keep the sugar from crystallizing. It's also less sweet than regular sucrose or like granulated sugar, which means it's a nice alternative if you want to add sugar to something like, say, maybe a protein shake or something else like that, but you don't want the same sweetness that you get from sucrose. So it has a wide variety of uses in the food industry. We use it mostly for candy making, and specifically, we're going to use it to make ourselves some really delicious and awesome gummy bears. One thing to note is that sugar is hygroscopic, so it'll continually soak up moisture. So we love that it comes in this nice resealable pouch, and you're going to want to keep that closed really well because you want this powder to stay nice and loose in the bag. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like more about the cake decorating materials and equipment we use, or just some inspirational videos about cake decorating itself, you can follow us on Insta or YouTube at Cake Decorating School. If you'd like to know more about yearly membership and what it entails, you can go to www.cakedecoratingschool.com for more information. And if you're interested in these products, you can check the links in the description.